of course, we are going to add milk para hindi siya dry. At madaling i-shake. Okay, so we're done. Transfer na natin sa ating glass and ready to drink. Yan. Healthy carrot, orange, and fresh milk drink. Ayan ang ating ginawa. Bigay natin kay baby yung yung shake kasi ayaw niya sa fresh fruit. Ayaw niyang kumain sa fresh fruit. Kaya dito na. Simple lang ang ating recipe. Of course, orange. Okay. Orange and carrot. Oh, alinggit ng aking carrot. Ang liit. Ayan, so we're done. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, we added milk. Yung ginamit ko na milk ay fresh milk. Kasi yan po ang nandito sa Japan. Wala po sila yung katulad sa atin. Meron siguro pero hindi ko nakita yung powder. So that's it for our carrot and orange juice. So it's time to clean up. So i-wash na natin ang ating portable shaker, blender. Advisable po talaga after using the blender. Wash ka agad. So, yan na. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Kunin muna natin yung silicone. Ayan. Tapos, wash natin with soap. Ayan. So that's it for our video today. Minsan na lang nakapag-upload kasi wala nang harang. Pa-update na lang to. Mag-i-apply pa ako. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you want to see more videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Goodbye.